Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project folder in VS Code and confirming there's a web entry file like index.html. Once done, install Live Server or another dev server extension so you can serve files locally. This is crucial because VS Code itself doesn't expose a public URL. Make sure to enable the extension and set the workspace as trusted. These first steps get you a working local server and the visible localhost address used in the next stage. Now run the server. Click Go Live or Run npm start so your site hosts on localhost port. You should see the localhost address appear in your browser. Copy it for quick testing. If you need a shareable link, use port forwarding tools like ngrok or a built-in tunnel in VS Code's remote or live share features. Alternatively, deploy to GitHub pages for a permanent public URL. These choices convert your local address into a public link, depending on security and permanence needs. Finish by copying the generated URL from your tunneling tool or deployment service. This is the link you share. You should verify it loads correctly by opening it in another device or an incognito window, ensuring assets and APIs resolve. If something fails, check common issues: firewall blocking the port, incorrect port forwarding, or missing permissions for the extension. If deployment failed, rebuild and inspect console logs. Once fixed, reshare the verified URL and confirm accessibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.